To pay by using your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, first of all, you will have to start by opening Health application on your phone, and you will have to navigate to the app gallery. And right now, just scroll down after the loading process and search for this application called Quicko Wallet. It should be available somewhere here. Yeah, it's just right here. So you will have to just download it on your watch, and at the same time you will have to also go into the Google Play Store and search for this application right here and simply download it. Now when you finish, you'll have to open it like so, and as you can see right now you've got the payment cards. So what you have to do is just to basically add your payment cards, loyalty cards, addresses. There's also some other things, but for sure you'll have to just set up your payment method like so. You'll have to just first of all sign up. So you have to create an account by using your phone number, password. Additionally, you can use some fingerprint to confirm the payment. And after this, you will be able to input your card details. And to quickly pay with this device, I can highly recommend you to set shortcut for this button. So you'll have to just go into settings, and right now you will have to search for down button shortcuts. Go for the press once, and here just select the payment method. It should be available. Wait a minute, it was here? Yeah, it was here. And you can also go for the press twice, whatever. And now when you click once, you will have to enter your PIN code, and you can just pay. So your card will be available here after you add it in this application.